The journey of a shy English learner. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Many English learners struggle with confidence, especially when speaking. Today, we'll share the inspiring story of Liam, a shy English learner who transformed his fear into fluency. If you've ever felt too nervous to speak English, Liam's journey might just inspire you to take that next step. A silent beginning. Liam had always been shy. Even in his native language, he wasn't the type to start conversations. When he decided to learn English, his biggest challenge wasn't grammar or vocabulary, it was speaking. The thought of making mistakes terrified him. In school, he avoided raising his hand, and in English class, he barely spoke a word. Whenever he tried to speak English, his mind went blank. He knew the words, but they wouldn't come out. He worried about his accent, about being laughed at, about saying the wrong thing. So he stayed silent. And because he stayed silent, his progress was slow. The first small step. One day, Liam's teacher gave the class a simple assignment. Record yourself speaking in English for 1 minute. It didn't have to be perfect. Just talk about your day. Liam hesitated, but he knew he had to start somewhere. That night, he sat in his room, turned on his phone, and started speaking. At first, it felt strange. His voice sounded awkward, and he made mistakes. But no one was there to judge him. So he tried again, and again. Each time, he felt a little more comfortable. This small habit became part of his daily routine. He wasn't speaking to anyone yet, but he was speaking, overcoming fear in real conversations. After a few months, Liam took a bigger step. He joined an online English group. He didn't talk at first. He just listened. But hearing others speak, seeing their mistakes, and realizing that no one was perfect gave him courage. One day, he unmuted his microphone and said hi. It was just one word, but it was a breakthrough. Over time, Liam started participating more. At first, just short sentences. Then, longer conversations. He made mistakes, but no one laughed. Instead, they encouraged him. And with each conversation, his confidence grew. Building a confident mindset. Liam realized something important. His fear wasn't about English. It was about his mindset. He was too focused on being perfect. He had to change his thinking. Instead of worrying about mistakes, he started seeing them as part of the learning process. He also changed how he practiced. Instead of only studying grammar, he started thinking in English. He described things around him in English. He asked himself questions in English. Slowly, English became more natural, and he no longer needed to translate in his head. Real-world challenges. One day, Liam had to use English in real life. He was traveling and needed directions. In the past, he would have avoided talking to strangers. But now he felt ready. He walked up to a shopkeeper and asked, "Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?" The shopkeeper responded quickly, but Liam didn't catch everything. Instead of panicking, he smiled and said, "Could you say that again, please?" The shopkeeper repeated, slower this time. Liam understood. He thanked the man and walked away, feeling proud. That moment was a turning point. He realized that communication wasn't about being perfect. It was about being understood. And he had done it. The transformation. Liam continued practicing, speaking more, and stepping out of his comfort zone. Months later, he gave a presentation in English at work. The same person who once feared speaking had now found his voice. He wasn't just an English learner anymore. He was an English speaker. The takeaway: how you can do the same. Liam's journey teaches us that confidence isn't something you are born with, it's something you build. Here's what you can learn from his story. Start small. Speak to yourself first. Record your voice. Get used to hearing yourself in English. Join a group. Even if you don't speak at first, surround yourself with English conversations. Change your mindset. Mistakes are not failures. They are part of learning. Think in English. Describe your surroundings, your thoughts, and your feelings in English every day. Take real-world opportunities. Whether it's asking for directions or ordering food, use English in real situations. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If Liam's story inspired you, give this video a like, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Keep practicing, stay confident, and see you in the next video.